ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। कृपया रटतु। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयवन्
अयून्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
औच्
अयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमङणनं
ञमाङणनं
जभै
जभै
गढधष्
गढधष्
जबगढधष्
जबगढधष्
खप छठथ छटतौ कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋतुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
लितुलसानां दन्ताः
उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
ञमाङणनानां नासिका च
वेदैतो गोकण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
कण्ठ प्लस् ओष्ठम् सन्धिं कृत्वा किं भवति?
कण्ठौष्ठम्
कण्ठौष्टं
गुणसन्धिः भवति वा वृद्धिसन्धिः?
वृद्धिसन्धिः
वृद्धि एव भवति
वृद्धिः एव भवति। अद्य पश्यामः वृद्धिसन्धिः कः इति। अथ अवर्णात् एचि वर्णे परे पूर्वप्रयोगस्थाने वृद्धिः आदेशः भवति। कण्ठौष्ठं कण्ठौष्ठं भवति अथवा कण्ठोष्ठमपि भवितुं शक्यते। तत्तु अन्यसूत्रमस्ति। समासे यदि ओष्ठवर्णः उत्तरं भवति चेत् वृद्धिः विकल्पेन भवति, गुणः अपि भवितुं शक्यते। तद्विषये वयं न इदानीं पठामः, किन्तु एतत् ज्ञातव्यं, तदपि अस्ति। कण्ठोष्टमपि इति रूपमस्ति, समासे विकल्पेन भवति, वृद्धिः विकल्पेन भवति, अतः
अस्तु
कण्ठोष्टमपि भवितुं शक्यते अथवा कण्ठौष्टं, कण्ठ प्लस् ओ अ प्लस् ओ वृद्धिः भवति। वृद्धिसन्धिः
अस्तु जी।
भवति कण्ठे, तदेव अलं, तज्ज्ञानमेव अलम्। इदानीं वकारस्य दन्त ओष्टं,
वकारस्य दन्त
ओष्टं
तत्रापि दन्तोष्टम् अथवा दन्तौष्टं, वृद्धि संध्या दन्तौष्टं भवति। वार्तिकमस्ति समासे यदि ओष्टपदम् उत्तरे परे अस्ति चेत् गुणः अपि भवितुं शक्यते। दन्तोष्टमपि समासे विकल्पेन भवति। जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यं,
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यं,
नासिकानुस्वारस्य सन्धिं कृत्वा,
नासिकानुस्वारस्य,
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धरा।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
संस्कृतपठनं किञ्चित् कठिनं भवति किम्?
नास्ति जी।
संहिता विषये अपि श्लोकः अस्ति। संहितैकपदे नित्या,
संहितैकपदे नित्या,
नित्यादातूपसर्गयोः,
नित्या धातूपसर्गयोः,
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु,
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु,
विवक्षामपेक्षते।
सा विवक्षामपेक्षते।
अर्पिता भवती पठतु। संसवनदीर्घसन्धिः कृपया पठतु एतत्।
संहितायां विषये अकस्सवर्णे अचिपरे पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने सवर्णदीर्घादेशः भवति।
सूत्रमपि
पूर्वपदयोः इति आधारसूत्रमस्ति, क्षम्यताम्, अधिकारसूत्रमस्ति। अत्रत्य सूत्रं तु अकस्सवर्णे दीर्घः इति।
सूत्रसङ्ख्या
61101।
Yes. शाम्भवी भवती पठतु।
यन् सन्धिः संहितायां विषये इकः स्थाने अचि परे यन् आदेशः भवति। इको यनचि 6177।
कौसल्य।
हाँ जी। गुणसन्धिः अवर्णात् अचि परे पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने एकः गुणादेशः भवति। आत् गुणः 6187।
एचः अयावायव सन्धि अपि जानीमः। तत्र नास्ति किल, अयादिसन्धि अस्ति, तदपि पठतु अर्पितजि। अयादिसन्धिः
when h is
न संस्कृते एकनिमिषम्। एचः अचिपरे, एचः अचिपरे किं भवति? अयादिसन्धि। एचः अचिपरे, एचः स्थाने
अयवायावः
एकनिमिषम्
आदेशः भवति।
क्षम्यताम् एकनिमिषम् पूर्वम् आङ्ग्लभाषामस्ति किल इदानीं पठतु आङ्ग्ल एच् इस् फालोड् बै यत् अस्ति पठतु
When H is followed by H, H will be replaced by अयवायावः।
अयवायव अत्र एच् इस् फालोड् बै एच् किं स्थाने अत्र
एचः
एचः अतः एचः
परे
एचः स्थाने नाट् परे
क्षम्यताम् एचः स्थाने
एचः स्थाने अयवायावः आदेशः भवति अयवायावः
आदेशः भवति।
क्रमेण आदेशः भवति किल
आम् जी
एकारस्य स्थाने अय आदेशः भवति ओकारस्य स्थाने
ए ओ ऐ औ
ऐ औ आय् आव् इति क्रमेण आदेशः भवति तस्मिन् विषये अपि सूत्रमस्ति यथासङ्ख्यम् अनुदेशसमानं तद् इदानीं न आवश्यकम् एचकस्थाने अयवायावः क्रमेण आदेशः भवति कदा भवति कदा भवति
जी कदा इत्युक्ते
when does it happen एचकस्थाने अयवायावः आदेशः भवति एच् विल् बि रीप्लेस्ड् बै अयवायावः सम्यक् कदा अत्र एव लिखितमस्ति किल एच् इस् फालोड् बै
भवतः प्रश्नं न अवगच्छामि
कदा भवति when H will be replaced by अयवायावः H will be replaced by अयवायावः एचकस्थाने अयवायावः आदेशः भवति कदा भवति when H is followed by
H it will replace by ayava
followed by H तद् वदतु
अस्तु जी when H is followed by
H it will
स्वरः
संस्कृते वदतु H is following one is H
H स्थाने
एचकस्थाने
स्थाने अचि परे
तदेव अहं पृच्छामि अचि परे
अयवायावः क्रमेण आदेशः भवति
एचकस्थाने अचि परे अयवायावः क्रमेण आदेशः भवति अवगच्छति किम्
इदानीं स्पष्टमस्ति
एचः अयवायावः एव सूत्रसङ्ख्या 6178 इदानीं वृद्धिसन्धिविषये कुर्मः वृद्धिसन्धिः वृद्धिः इति वयं जानीमः वृद्धिः इति एका संज्ञा अस्ति एके वर्णाः वृद्धयः भवति वृद्धिसंज्ञा भवति वृद्धिः इति आ ऐ औ इदानीं पश्यतु यदा अवर्णात् उत्तरस्य एचः वर्णः अस्ति चेत् किं भवति both the letters पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने both the preceding and the succeeding preceding पूर्वं तु अवर्णः अस्ति परः किम् अस्ति एच् अस्ति तयोः स्थाने पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने किम् आदेशरूपेण भवति
वृद्धि स्वरः आदेशः भवति
वृद्धिः आदेशः भवति इदानीं संस्कृते लिखामः यथा गुणसन्धिः लिखितमस्ति तद्वदेव वक्तव्यं पश्यतु कापि कृतवान् इदानीं वदतु किञ्चित् परिवर्तनं करणीयम् अवर्णात् सम्यक्
अचि परे पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने वृद्ध्यादेशः भवति
एकः वृद्धिः आदेशः भवति
एकः वृद्धिः आदेशः
भवति कदा भवति अवर्णात्
अचि परे अचि स्वराः
कस्मात् सूत्रात् अचि इति पदम् अनुवृत्तिरूपेण आगच्छति पश्यतु सूत्रपाठं
वृद्धिरेचि
कस्मात् सूत्र अस्मिन् सूत्रे वृद्धि अस्मिन् सूत्रे तु वृद्धिरेचि एव अस्ति कुत्र अचि अस्ति इदानीं पश्यतु वृद्धिरेचि अस्ति किल सन्धिनिषेधं कृत्वा वदतु कानि पदानि सन्ति अस्मिन् इति
वृद्धिः
अस्ति
प्लस् एचि
वृद्धिः
प्लस
प्लस
एचि
एचि
आं
किन्तु
जी
भवती उक्तवती अचि कुत्र अस्ति अचि अत्र एचि एव अस्ति
अचि
किल
तु अधिकारसूत्रं जी
अचि अधिकारसूत्रं कुत्र अस्ति
अनुवृत्तिः जी
तदेव अहं पृच्छामि कस्मात् सूत्रात् अचि पदम् अनुवृत्तिरूपेण आगच्छति
जी
इति
एकक्षणं जी अष्टाध्याय्यां
हम्म,
6177 जी
एक्साक्ट्ली
इको एनर्जी
का सन्धिः
इको एणचि तः
इको एनचि
यन् सन्धि
यन् सन्धि इको एनचि
ततः अचि अनुवृत्तिरूपेण अग्रे अग्रे नदीवत् नदीवत् नास्ति
नदीवत् एव
नदीवत्
प्रवाहः
प्रवहति
भवति नदीवत् एव
अनुवृत्तिः
प्रवहति
भवति
इको एनचि अस्मिन् सूत्रे अचि पदं कति सूत्रपर्यन्तं गच्छति
125
पञ्चविंशति अधिक 100 सूत्रपर्यन्तं गच्छति किल अचि
आं जी
अत्र वृद्धिरेचि कुत्र अस्ति तस्य सूत्रसङ्ख्या किम् 88 किल
80 आं जी
88
आं
87
जी
आद्गुणः अस्मिन् सूत्रे
आम्।
अपि अचि इति अनुवृत्तिः भवति किन्तु अत्र एचि अस्ति इदानीं क्लिष्टमस्ति अचि अपि अस्ति एचि अपि अस्ति तस्य इदानीम् आगमनं करणीयम् अत्र एचि अथवा अचि
अचि जी
कस्य पदस्य स्वीकरणं करणीयम् अत्र अचि यदि अचि आगच्छति चेत् अचि तु पूर्वमपि अस्ति गुणसन्धि विषये अपि अचिः एव अस्ति
आं जी
अस्मिन् सूत्रे यदि अचि अस्ति किमर्थम् एचि अत्र आवश्यकम्
जी एचि तु वृद्धि इति सूचयति जी वृद्धि अक्षराणां सूचनां ददाति जी
अचि
अचि इति परे आगच्छति जी इट इज
न न न न न when what is एचि पदस्य का विभक्तिः
सप्तमी विभक्ति जी
सप्तमी विभक्तिः एचि वर्णे परे किल
आं जी
एच वर्णा follows but you are saying ach varna follows you are bringing ach as anuvritti now I am confused now H should follow avarna or ach should follow varna that is my question you understand the question
yes जी
यद्यपि अचि अनुवृत्ति रूपेण अस्मिन् सूत्रे आगच्छति तथापि अचि पदस्य अनुवृत्तिः अत्र न आवश्यकं किमर्थम् अत्र तु एचि अस्ति केवलम् एचि परे एव वृद्धि आदेशः भवति नहि चेत् किं भवति अवर्णात् अचि परे गुणसूत्रे गुणसन्धिविषये अपि अचि परे अस्मिन् सूत्रे अपि अचि परे तयोः किं भवति कांट्रडिक्शन भवति किल विरुद्धः भवति किल
आं जी
अतः अत्र न अचि केवलम् एचि एव एचि परे अत्र अचि पदस्य अनुवृत्ति अचि अनुवृत्तिः न आवश्यकम् यद्यपि अचि अनुवृत्तिरूपेण आगच्छति तस्य प्रयोजनं नास्ति किमर्थम् एचि एव अस्ति किल
आं जी
अतः नास्ति तस्य आवश्यकं नास्ति एकं विषयं स्मरतु यदि आवश्यकम् अस्ति चेत् एव किञ्चित् पदस्य अनुवृत्तिरूपेण ग्रहणं करणीयं नास्ति चेत् न आवश्यकं किल अंडरस्टैंड
आं जी
see only when it is required you have to bring in to make the sutra complete otherwise not required because it comes then because somebody gives no we don't keep on accepting things right only when it is required you do that's called aparigraha it's not aparigraha you should not take anything from other people so because it just comes just you will keep on adding not required only when it is required here so here it is not required you know what will happen if you bring achi then guna sandhi and vidhi sandhi both will look same yes or no
yes ji
you understand my question all of you
am ji
guna sandhi and vidhi sandhi both will come so that is why echi you have to tell here vridhi rechi okay asmin sutre vridhi एच् इति केवलं द्वे पदे एव अस्ति किल
आम् जी
केवलं द्वे पदे एव अत्र स्तः इदानीं कस्मिन् सूत्र ज्ञानं भवति यदि केवलं द्वे पदे एव अस्ति कथं सूत्रस्य अवगमनं करणीयम् अन्यानि पदानि कुत्र सन्ति भवती वदतु के कानि पदानि अनुवृत्तिरूपेण आगच्छति अत्र कस्मिन् वदतु सम्यक्
आ ए ओ पदानि आगच्छन्ति जी अक्षराणि आगच्छन्ति जी तत्तु वृद्धिरादेच् इति प्रथमसूत्रे अस्माभिः ज्ञातुं शक्यते
yes that's okay that is the sanya for vriddhi means a I o now you please see the sutra I think there is still you have not got the grip of what is this sutram is see please understand how the sutram have to be understood okay vriddhi rechi is here 6188 right
yes ji
vriddhi rechi only two words are there with the two words how will you understand the Vriddhi Sandhi? You know what Vriddhi Sandhi, I hope, right?
Yes, ji.
What is Vriddhi Sandhi? Example. Please see the here itself example. It's at the next step. Sanskrita Bharati book is here. Eka plus ekam. What happens here?
Ekaikam.
Ekaikam. Purva padasya antima varnaha akarah. Ekarah tu uttaram paraha asti kila. A plus A I bhavati. Ekaikam. So that is Vriddhi Sandhi, you know, now. That is what here you have to understand. How to understand by the sutra. Vriddhihi echi asti. Now, when H letter follows, because H is there, H is in what vibhakti? Saptami vibhakti.
Saptami.
When H letter follows what? Kasmin pare. Kasmin. Vadatu. अवर्णात् परे सम्यक् कुत्र अस्ति अवर्णः सूत्रे वृद्धिरेचि सूत्रे अस्ति वा
नास्ति जी
कुत्र अस्ति कथं वदति तर्हि अवर्णात् परे इति
अचि इति दत्तम् इति कारणेन
अचि तु सप्तमी विभक्ति अहं तु पृच्छामि कस्मात् परे एच् भवति कस्मात् परे न कस्मिन् परे कस्मात् परे एच् भवति अवर्णात् परे अवर्णात् कुत्र अस्ति अवर्णात् इति अत्र नास्ति वृद्धिरेचि एव अस्ति केवलं द्वे पदे एव स्तः अत्र
आम् जी
कुत्र अस्ति अवर्णात् इति पश्यतु पूर्वसूत्रम्
गुणः इति तत्रापि अनुवृत्तिः अस्ति जी आत् इति अतः आत् चेत् अवर्णात् अचि इति
सम्यक् तदेव अहं पृच्छामि आत् इति पूर्वसूत्रे अस्ति तत् पदम् अनुवृत्तिरूपेण अस्मिन् सूत्रे अपि आगच्छति अतः आद् एचि परे आद् इत्युक्ते अवर्णात् एचि परे किल when avarna is followed by H letter, then kutra stani kim bhavati atra?
Stani tu avarnah ji avarnah.
Stani tu avarnah. Kasmin adhikare etani sutrani santi. Adgunah vriddhirechi. Kasmin adhikare. Mukhya adhikar sutram asti. पूर्वपरयोः इदानीं वदतु स्थानी कुत्र अस्ति
पूर्वपरयोः मध्ये अस्ति जी
पूर्वपरयोः इत्युक्ते अवर्णः तथा एच् द्वयोगस्थाने किल पूर्वपरयोगस्थाने
आम् जी
द्वयोगस्थाने पूर्वपरयोगस्थाने that is when avarna is followed by H both the avarna and the H that is what पूर्वपरयोः द्विवचनं पूर्व and para will be replaced by what letter? Vriddhi, right?
Amji.
What the vritti is. Now you have to bring down the vritti. Without bringing down the vritti, you cannot complete the sutra. You cannot understand the sutra. Therefore, sutra pata I have sent you the Sutra Pata. You keep only this page, at least in your PDF, 6172 onwards. Only those sutras we are seeing. So that you can keep, take a photocopy or whatever, maybe, or take a printout, keep this sutra and keep referring this. Then only you will get familiarity with this sutra. Okay, you have to keep referring this, reading this, till you get familiarity. After that, it becomes easy. It will
Okay.
just like it's a child's play. Easily you can do it. The beginning, you need to take a printout and keep on referring to the sutra again and again. That alone,
Okay.
that alone I have given in the form of the words here, vritti here. You see, in English, I have written when avarna is followed by a is followed by h letter, both the letters, it means preceding and the succeeding, will be replaced by a single corresponding vritti. Same thing I'm telling in Sanskritam also. Avarnath, Panchami Vibhakti. Avarnath iti yukte akaraha tata akaraha, rasva dirgha. Echi pare, followed by H letter. Saptami Vibhakti. Echi, Saptami Vibhakti, Echi pare. H varna. H varnaha ityukte kim? A, O, I, Au. Sanyukta aksharani. Pare. Pare is follows. When avarna is followed by H. Kim bhavati? Both the letters. Both the letters means Purva as well as Para. Both the preceding and the succeeding. Purva Parayoga. Tadeva Stani. 6184. तस्मिन् स्थाने तयोगस्थाने किं भवति? वृद्धिः आदेशः भवति. वृद्धिः इत्युक्ते किं? वृद्धिसंज्ञा का इति ज्ञातव्यम्. आ ऐ औ इति वयं जानीमः एव. वर्णत्रयम् अक्षरत्रयम् अस्ति किल? आ ऐ औ. आ ऐ औ इति तेषां मध्ये एकः वृद्धिः आदेशः भवति. 3 are there, but you have got only one chair. 3 guests have come to your house, but only one chair is there. So whom will you ask to sit on the chair? Only the person who is revered or old or respectable, to him only you will offer chair, right? Others you will not offer. Similarly, 3 people, 3 letters are there, vriddhi, a, I, au, but among them only one will come and sit in the place of the sthani. Understand?
Yes, ji. Who have a related ucharana sthanam, they will be replaced. Okay.
Yes, that replacement is based on ucharana sadrishyatvam. Even though if this sutra achi comes as anuvritti, it is not required. Kopi na avashyakam achi padasya asmin sutre. Ataha anuvritti rupena tasya rakaranam na karniyam. Clear? Understand?
Yes, ji.
So don't bring achi. Achi is there, need not required. Then vriddhihi echi pare. At is anuvritti. Then purva parayoga is important adhikara sutra. That is another anuvritti. So at echi pare. Now all word by word, letter by letter, word by word is there. Then you have to join by writing. Ad, then echi is there, echi pare. Purva parayoga, that is a sthani. Sthane kim adesha bhavati? Vriddhihi adesha bhavati. Sutra is complete or not?
Yes, ji. Now
that is what it is. The same thing in ad gunaha also. Ad gunaha, where what is there? Anuvritti. Anuvritti is acha. You have to bring us anuvritti. Achi anuvritti. Then purva parayogo. So avarnath achi pare purva parayoga sthane kim adesha bhavati? Ekaha gunaha adesha bhavati. Yaha gunaha varnaha स्थानिनः सादृश्यत्वम् अस्ति, तस्य आदेशरूपेण भवति. Understand?
Yes, ji.
Now I can remember English one. This is vriddhi sandhi is done. Okay. इदानीम् उदाहरणं पश्यतु. अद्य प्लस ऐच्छत्. अद्य अन्तिम वर्णः किम्? अकारः अस्ति. अन्तिम वर्णः. पूर्वपदस्य अन्तिमवर्णः तु अकारः. परपदस्य प्रथमवर्णः किम्?
ऐकारः.
ऐकारः अस्ति.
द्वयोः पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने
सम्यक् वदतु.
आदेशः.
ऐकारः आदेशः भवति.
किमर्थम् ऐकारः? वृद्धिः तु आकारः अपि वृद्धि, ऐकारः अपि वृद्धि, ओकारः अपि वृद्धि. किमर्थम् ऐकारस्य आदेशः भवति अत्र? ऐकारः आदेशः भवति अत्र.
जी, अकारः तु कण्ठः जी.
सम्यक्.
ऐकारः तु कण्ठतालु.
ऐकारः कण्ठतालु. सम्यक्. अनन्तरम्
अतः द्वयोः कामन् स्थानमस्ति कण्ठतालु इति.
वृद्धिः के वदतु. वृद्धिः के वृद्धिः संज्ञा भवति? आकारः औकारः आकारस्य उच्चारणस्थानं केवलं कण्ठः एव औकारस्य उच्चारणस्थानं तु कण्ठ ओष्ठ ऐकारस्य तु कण्ठ तालु अत्र अकारस्य कण्ठ ऐकारस्य कण्ठ तालु अतः स्थानसादृश्यात् उच्चारणस्थानसादृश्यात् ऐकारः एव भवितुं शक्यते आदेशरूपेण अत्र किल therefore अद्यैच्छत् इति वृद्धिसन्धिः भवति इदानीं पश्यतु एकं प्रश्नं पृच्छामि चिन्तयित्वा उत्तरं ददातु अत्र पश्यतु गुणसन्धिः अवर्णात् अचिपरे किल अवर्णात् अचिपरे गुणादेशः भवति अत्र अस्मिन् उदाहरणे अद्य प्लस् ऐच्छत् अत्रापि अच् एव अस्ति अत्रापि ऐ एव अस्ति किल ऐ अपि अच् एव अवर्णात् अचिपरे किमर्थं गुणसन्धिः न कृतः अत्र किमर्थं
have to use only when it is needed.
No, that is not the answer. The condition is when avarna is followed by h, guna sandhi will happen. That is what guna sandhi is. When avarna is followed by, here also in this example, avarna is followed by h. That is what h.
अहं प्रयत्नं करोमि वाजी
करोतु
गुणसन्धौ तु गुणादेशः भवति गुणसंज्ञा तु अकारः एकारः ओकारः किन्तु वृद्धि मध्ये आकारः ऐकारः औकारः अतः अत्र परवर्णः तु ऐकारः अस्ति इति कारणेन वयं वृद्धिसन्धेः उपयोगं
You have not understood what is the gunasandhi rule. Tell me. Avarna followed by simple. When avarna is followed by a vowel, that's what it is in English. When avarna is followed by a vowel, replace both by guna letter. That is gunasandhi, right?
Yes, ji.
Now, in this example, avarna is followed by a vowel. Why don't you apply gunasandhi? That is what my question is.
But that vowel is not included in the vriddhi.
No. Why you have, there's nothing to do with the vriddhi. When avarna is followed by a vowel, that is the condition. That's all. See only the condition. Then only the adesha will come later. What is the condition? When avarna is followed by vowel. Here also, in this example, with this and the example, avarna is followed by the vowel I. Where is the guna vriddhi? Vriddhi letter should follow, guna letter follow. Is there any condition like that? No. Guna vriddhi is adesha. That comes later. But if based on the condition only you ordain adesha, not just the adesha you cannot bring in like that. What is the condition? Based on the condition only you have to bring in the adesha. The condition being same for gunasandhi and vriddhisandhi in the example, I'm asking, why don't you apply gunasandhi here? My question is.
Ji, can I try, Ji?
Yeah, please do it.
Ji, in gunasandhi, avarnath achi pare is followed.
Okay.
In vriddhisandhi, avarnath echi pare is followed. So
very good. Then what is the connection between gunasandhi and vriddhisandhi? That is what I'm asking actually. Why you are not applying gunasandhi when I ask? But you are saying correctly. You're coming closer. What is the answer? I want the word which I have used before, and you know it very well also.
Uchcharanasthanam.
No. What Uchcharanasthanam? See, why you bring Uchcharanasthanam? Avarna follow. We are talking about the condition. We are talking about nimitta, which brings in the adesha, with the adesha here. That's all. Or guna adesha. When avarna followed by vowel, that's all gunasandhi says. Now, I can help you giving some more clue. Avarna followed by vowel, guna adesha comes. Avarna followed by H, that is Sanyukta Aksharani, which is a subset of Ach. When it follows, Vriddhi Adesha comes in the place of both preceding and succeeding. Now, you can tell me. I have given a clue also.
In Vriddhi Sandhi, Akaraha, Ikaraha, Ukaraha, Rikaraha, Likaraha, will be excluded.
Excluded. Then what does it mean? What is the connection between the two sandhis?
So only in Vriddhi Sandhi, only A, O, I, O will be included. H only, right?
That is
So
what, yes, true. That is what I have written also. But I'm asking, what is the condition? What is the connection between the guna sandhi and vriddhi sandhi? What is the connection between Yan sandhi and Savana Dirgha sandhi? What is the relationship? Sambandha. Utsarga apavada. Please, as a Vyakarana student, you must be able to say that. What connection?
Utsarga apavada.
All students wearing white sarees be given apple. The one who is, other color dress, let them given orange. What is that? Apavada, right?
yes, Ji.
Utsarga is everybody should be given apple. All students be given apple. And those who are wearing white, let them be given orange. Apavada. That's the same idea here also. Understand? So listen carefully. That's why I said very clearly. See, I tell you one thing. Studying Sanskritam, it sharpens your brain. It makes your mind very alert. You will not take anything for granted. It's like sharpening your mind. Your mind will be very, very sharp. You will penetrate into the topic and see things. That's what the Vyakaranam does. Arpitaji, some noise is there at your side. So that is important to understand. That is why Vyakaranam is important. Vyakaranam sharpens your knowledge. That's why for the language, Vyakaranam is important. When Vyakaranam is not, you know how to speak, how to talk. Right? Okay. Not asking you to mute, Arpitaji. Just check what is the noise that. The noise keeps coming there. See the noise. That will disturb you when you listen to the recording. Not only you, whoever listen to the recording, it will disturb. So check your noise there.
Okay, Ji.
Now you see, I said very clearly, Ach follows Yavarna, then Punasandhi will happen. H follows Vriddhi Sandhi will happen. H is a subset of Ach, right? Yes or no? H is a subset of it. Therefore, the connection between Guna Sandhi and Vriddhi Sandhi is Apavada to Guna Sandhi. When Ach follows, Guna Sandhi will happen. Let all people be given apple. That is what Guna Sandhi says. But if H follows, but all students be given apple. When H follows, those who are wearing white color, let them be given orange. Apavada, understand the connection now?
Yes, Ji.
That is what I'm asking. And you are saying Guna, Vritti or something. That be clear about what you say and what you understand. That's why I keep asking whether you understand Avakachati. Okay. Now you understand that. In fact, I asked you what is the relation between Guna Sandhi and Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. What is the connection? What is the relationship? Iko Yanachi. Akastavani Dirgaha. Iko Yanachi and Akastavani Dirgaha. Ik letter followed by H. And Ak letter followed by Savarna. Utsarga Apavada relationship. Understand? Arpitaji, I muted your mic because some noises keep on coming. I don't know what's the noise. Please check your noise. Where are you? Sitting below the fan or where?
Ji, she's traveling to the native, Ji. Hostel students have to be vacated. They have 70 today evening.
Okay. I don't know from where I'm getting noise.
No, she's at home.
Oh.
So what is the noise? You just check. It's good that you respond. I appreciate your response, but noise is there. Now you understand Vriddhi Sandhi? Is it clear? So, therefore, all these things you have to remember. Vriddhi Sandhi is Apavada to Guna Sandhi. See, have very clear knowledge. No doubt, no samshaya is all. That is what knowledge is all about. Knowledge is about clarity. Knowledge about is understanding. So, samshaya ragita jnana. Any subject matter you read, whether you read science or physics or anything, history or any subject, even kavyas, etc. You learn thoroughly whatever you learn.
Astuji.
Okay. Ask questions. That is why the questions are allowed. Where learning is involved, where knowledge is involved, questioning is allowed. You keep asking. So therefore, Guna Sandhi and Vriddhi Sandhi, this also we have done. Next, Ayati Sandhi we have done. Then what is Purva Rupa Sandhi? You know, see, I'm not dealing with the example. Example only, I am only one example I gave, but you know it, I think. You know all these Sandhis before.
Yes, Ji, we will do it as homework also. And
yeah, please, you take this book, Samskrita Bharati, that Sandhi book which I sent. Go through the examples of each Sandhi. So far, from beginning, starting from the page, I have explained many things from this book, as well as from my notes there. Starting from start from Swara Sandeha, Yen Sandhi, Antaram Udaharanas, Bahuni Udaharani Santi Atra. Yadi plus Api, all this. Just go through this, understand the examples. Yantavanta Sandhi, that is Ayadi Sandhi. Just go through the example. Keep in mind the conditions, what precedes, what follows, what is Sani, what is the Adesha, and Utsarga Apavada, those things. Then Anantaram, Guna Sandhi, then Vriddhi Sandhi, all the examples are there. Please go to the examples, you will understand. I just gave only one example because I assume that you have read already. Therefore, but one thing I have to say here, one thing, let me ask you by putting this question. There's also one example. Can you see my screen now? Guna Sandhi with the Sandhi. Then Brahma plus Rishihi.
Brahma Rishihi.
Brahmarshihi.
Vadatu पुनः एकवारं.
Brahmarshihi.
Brahmar किल?
आम् जी.
कः सन्धिः अत्र?
गुणसन्धिः एव.
गुणसन्धिः. कदा गुणसन्धिः भवति वदतु?
अकारः अनन्तरं ऋकारः भवति.
अकारः अनन्तरं किं भवति? केवलं ऋकारः एव भवति किल? भवति अचिपरे. Avarnath, when Avarna followed by any vowel, right?
Yes, Ji.
If H follows, will Guna happen?
Nasti ji, Vriddhi.
Vriddhi will happen. Therefore, now H minus H is equal to what? H minus H. H minus H, please tell. Simple mathematics.
Ji. A, U, R, L.
What is it called? Pratyahara.
Aksang.
Ak eva bhavati. H is equal to Ak plus H, right?
Yes, Ji.
H is equal to I1 Riluk, A Ong, I ouch, Tadeva, Ak plus H. Ak plus H minus H is equal to Ak eva. I Uru. Yadi Avarnath Akipare, when Avarna followed by Ak letter, Guna Sandhi will happen. When Avarna followed by H letter, Vriddhi will happen. That is what our understanding based on Utsarga Pavada relationship. Clear? Even though the Sutram says Avarnath Achipare, in Guna Sandhi, if you see Avarnath Achipare, but we understand if H letter follows, Vriddhi will happen. It means what? Up to Ak only it is allowed. In fact, it should be Aki. But Panini Maharishi doesn't want to say Aki. He says, he brings Achi, the word as Anuvritti from 6177. Why? He doesn't want to repeat. Alpaksharatam, this is Sutra. So, and Vriddhi Sandhi, he says, Vriddhi H. So, the H letter follows, Vriddhi will happen. When H follows, Guna will happen. So in ach you have to remove h. Therefore, what follow guna will happen?
Ak follows means.
That is our understanding out of the sutram. You understand now? Utsarga apavada. Kashtam. That alone in the file, in the English document file, I have written, and that is what I sent you. There's an English document file is there, which I sent you. For the sake of the students, I made like this. You see here, what I have written. Please read in English. That
When a followed by a non-savarna.
What is non-savarna ak?
Asavarna.
Asavarna ak. So ak is there, right? When avarna followed by ak, I have written. And also I have written non-savarna. Why I have written non-savarna means what? Avarna followed by? Avarna followed by?
Asavarna.
Asavarna. Why I say I use the word asavarna?
Except R, A, other letters.
Arpita ji, you said ak, right?
Because if savarna is followed by then it will be we have to use
Savarna.
Savarna dirgha sandhi. Exactly.
Dirgha sandhi.
That is why savarna dirgha sandhi you have to use. That is why non-savarna ak, the word I used for the understanding of the students in the English document. Therefore, ach minus h is equal to ak. But in the context of guna sandhi, what we have to take is even a also we have to remove. Therefore, a, e, it means ik. When ik letter follows avarna, simple. When avarna is followed by ik letter, guna sandhi will happen. That should be our understanding. If this is there, any sandhi you can easily join a split. When avarna is followed by h letter, what will happen? Vriddhi will happen. This is what it is. Clear? All mathematics, right? All math. You see, like mathematics, we are doing addition. This you need to have some little, penetrating mind, so you will understand. So ach is equal to ak plus ach minus h is equal to ak. In the context of guna sandhi, avarna followed by ik only. Among ak also I removed a because when a followed by a, savarna dirgha sandhi will come. Therefore, savarna dirgha sandhi is what? Apavada to guna sandhi. Understand? Therefore, from this, in one way it is apavada to guna sandhi. Not only eco energy, with reference to eco energy, akastavana dirgha is apavada is said. Now I'm saying, with reference to guna sandhi also, akastavana dirgha is apavada. Therefore, in the sutram, the sutram that is guna sandhi, ad gunaha, where we have written achi, there we have to understand aki. What is that? Really speaking, it is not even aki, it is iki. Right? What is that?
Exactly.
It is iki. Avarnath iki pare. But Panini Maharshi doesn't say. That should be our understanding. Please note. Clear?
Yes, Ji.
Whatever I have taught you so far now, I taught it very all the thought in depth, and it should be very clear. So if anybody asks, you should be able to answer. When you're studying Sanskritam Vyakam next level, you should start from here. It'll be easy to pick up. Then you will be able to understand any sutra. Right?
Yes.
Definitely would be able to pick up any sutram, any new topic, if you read with this understanding. If you understand this, that would be easy. Okay, so avarnath iki pare, but we don't write iki pare, we say achi pare because we know vriddhi sandhi is apavada to guna sandhi, akastavane dirgha sandhi is apavada to guna sandhi. Even though achi is there, but what our eyes should see, it has ik only you have to see. That why? Because vriddhi sandhi is apavada we know. That is why here when we do in this example, when we join a plus I, even though avarna is followed by a vowel, that h letter, and among the h letter it is a h letter. Therefore, we do vriddhi. We don't do guna because vriddhi is apavada. Right?
Astu ji.
Yes.
Yes, Ji.
Okay. Next one. Next sandhi I will do. Then Purva Rupa Sandhi. Have you heard Purva Rupa Sandhi? Okay,
Yes,
sorry. Before Purva, I was talking about something. I was about to ask you Brahma plus Rishiki. That is what we are discussing, right? Brahma plus Rishiki.
Anji.
Yeah. Brahma plus Rishiki. You said Brahma Rishiki. Okay. Here I want to tell something. Brahma plus Rishiki. What is the guna letter? You said it's a. Now you see. Avarna followed by equal letter. Here R is there. Avarna followed by R. Avarnath Achipare. That is Avarnath Ikipare. Rikare is equal letter. Follows. What sandhi happens? Guna sandhi.
Gunasandhi.
Katam bhavati guna sandhi. What is the adesha? What is the adesha in the place of Kara?
Ar is the adesha, Haji.
Ar is the adesha. Katam ar adesha bhavati atra. Akaraha plus rikaraha.
Ji, Riturashanam Talu iti karanena samana
Riturashana murda, not talu. Huh?
Riturashanam murdha iti karanena
Hmm.
vayam refas rakarasya upayogam kurmah, Haji.
No, atra pashyatu. This is another important thing I tell you. Please note this. Rikara is a vowel or a consonant?
Vowel.
So, likara, is it a vowel or a consonant?
Vowel.
Even though it is a vowel, please listen. It is a vowel. It has got aj bhakti, that is vowel component, as well as a hal consonant component also it is there. It's all little advanced Vayakana say. Even though Rikara is ach, it has got al bhakti. Bhakti means component. Similarly, Likara is ach only. Even though it is ach, it has got al bhakti. Consonant component also it is there. So therefore, to say it is a pure vowel, it's difficult. It has got al component. Okay, you understand?
Yes, Ji.
What is the al component? If you ask, Repa is al component for Rikara. What is al component for Likara? If you ask, Lakara is it. Now, Akarasya Uchcharana Sthanam,
Kantaha.
Kantaha.
Rikarasya Uchcharana Sthanam,
Murdha.
Urdha. A plus R. It fulfills the condition. It fulfills the condition of Gunasandhi. Now, what are the Guna letters? A, A, O.
O.
O is Kanta, Oshta.
Voshtam.
That cannot be the right choice. Ekara is Kanta.
Kanta Talu.
That also cannot be the right choice. Leave it. Then what about Akara?
Kantaha eva.
Kantaha.
Because Rikara has got a Aj component and Akara is here. Akara is Kanta and Rikara has got Aj component and Al component Repa is there. Therefore, it is Murda. But you can consider Rikara also as the Uchchana Sthanam Kanta. It is not openly specifically said, but we have to understand Rikara also. It's Kanta plus Kanta in addition to Murda also is there. That is Repa. Al Bhakti also it is there. This is a little difficult to understand because this is not said in any of the Grantha very clearly. But maybe modern higher grammarians may be able to say. So this much is enough for you to understand. Rikara has got Aj Bhakti, Aj component, and that Uchchana Sthanam is Kanta. In addition, Repa also it is there. So therefore, what happens? Kanta only is the right, only Kanta. Therefore, what is the right choice?
Ayeva.
Ayeva right choice. So therefore, replace both Purva Para by Akara. Sorry, Akara. Then what about these Al Bhakti? Repa is there. That is appended to the Adesha Ar. That is appended to the Adesha. Therefore, Ar comes. Therefore, Brahmarshihi. Understand now?
Anji.
Please ask. Not completed. Yeah.
Okay, Ji. Then I'll ask later.
Yeah. Now I will tell you something important. Whenever Rikara, please note. Whenever Rikara, there is a rule. Whenever Rikara is replaced by the Adesha and letter. Whenever Rikara is replaced by an Adesha, Repa will be appended to it. Repa Repaha paraha bhavati. Whenever an here R is replaced by what letter?
Repa.
No, not Repa. R is replaced. A plus R both are replaced by
Akaraha.
Akara. Akara is an letter or not?
Amji.
What is an? Ayivun, Akara, Ikara, Ukara. Tadeva an. Okay.
Ji.
Please listen carefully. Whenever Repa is replaced by the Adesha an. Why it is replaced by the Adesha? Because A plus R, the right choice among the Guna letter is A. So this Akara comes as an Adesha and Rikara also being replaced. Therefore, Repa is appended. Why Repa comes? Because of the Al Bhakti Repa. Repa has got the Al component. This Repa, the R has got the Al component, the Repa. Therefore, that also is appended. The reason for appending Repa to Akara is because the Rikara is, whenever Rikara is replaced by an letter, Repa will be appended. Suppose if Rikara is replaced by E, if Rikara is replaced by E, what will happen? Ir will be the Adesha, not E. If Rikara is replaced by U, Ur will be the Adesha. If Rikara is replaced by A, R will be Adesha. That R alone with this and the you see. When Rikara is replaced by E, Ir will be Adesha. So this is how it is. It is called, that's a sutram which says Urandraparaha. That not required now. I'll teach you later. Time is not there. Urandraparaha. So that is what in the beginning you would have Urandraparaha. That is what in the beginning you would have studied. That is just in the Gunasandhi. When A plus R comes, replace it by R. When A plus L comes, replace it by Al. So R, Al, that is how you would have studied something in the beginning, right?
Yes, Ji.
So, but the reason I'm saying, the reason is A plus R will be replaced by A only because that is the right choice. We cannot choose A or O. And whenever A, that is A being an letter, replaces R, Repa will be appended to it. Therefore, Brahmarshihi is the Rupam. Yes. Understand now? You can ask question. Yeah?
Idanim spashtam asti.
Yes. So remember this. Yeah. Arpita ji, Parichatu.
Ji, my doubt got clear, Ji.
Very good. That's it. Urandraparaha is a sutra. So now I will ask. If a doubt got cleared, I will create doubts. An asti kila atra. Nageshwara sutre akaraha kutra asti.
Prathama akshara.
केवल प्रथम सूत्र एव अस्ति किल
आम् जी
अयिवुन् कृपया रटतु अयिवुन् अनन्तरं ऋलुक् ऋलुक् अस्ति अयिवुन् ऋलुक् अनन्तरं 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 लन् अस्ति किल तत्र लन् सूत्रे अपि नकारः अस्ति वा नास्ति वा किमर्थं तस्य तस्य प्रकरणं न भवति अन् इति अहम् एतदपि वक्तुं शक्यते अन् इति अयिवु ऋलु एवो ऐ औ हयवरट् लकारपर्यन्तमपि भवितुं शक्यते किल अन्
तादृशं कुर्मः चेत् व्यञ्जनाक्षराणां गणनाम् अपि भवति
तदर्थः न आवश्यकं right understand that's good that's what it is please understand with the Mageshwara Sutra we can form two unpratyaharas one is short an other one is long an the long an is there that ayivu rulu evo ayo hayaratlan it is used only in one place in the sutra pata. In all other place, wherever we say an, it is short an only. Okay. So unless I specify and tell you, you can take an to be the short an. Granted. Okay.
Astu ji.
Yes. So now Guna Sandhi is done, Vriddhi Sandhi is done. You go through the examples, you will understand. Now you see, Upa plus Likara iyati. Akarat, Likare pare, Likaraha tu Achvarnaha. In fact, it is iki pare, ikvarnaha. Akarat Likare pare kim bhavati. Purva paryavasthane Akara eva Adesha bhavati. भवितुं शक्यते किमर्थम् उच्चारण सादृश्यत्वात् अकारः भवति किन्तु अत्र लिकारः अस्ति okay, this is not example. Okay, sorry, this is Vriddhi Sandhi. I have to give you Guna Sandhi example. Guna Sandhi example kutra अस्ति लिकारः okay, not example, not that, don't worry. Okay, examples are there, we'll see. This is Likara Yati is an exception. Okay, that we'll see later, not required. In fact, I will except too much of exceptions are not required, so I'm leaving it out. Okay, anyway, so therefore it is Guna Sandhi. That is why we say Guna letters are A, E, O, and we say Ar also. Why we say Ar? Because of this appending the repa to the Guna letters, that un letter. That whenever Rikara is replaced by un letter, repa will be added to it. Okay. So that example also I put right here. Under Guna Sandhi. Brahma plus Rishi. Brahma plus Rishi. Atra Rikarah Parah Asti A plus Tayogastane Akarah Adeshavati Yada Rikarastane An Adeshavati Tada Repaha Paraha Bhavati. Repaha Anvarnat Parahavati. Atra Anvarnaha to Akaraha. Rikarah Stane Akara Adeshavati Yada Rikarah Stane An Adeshavati Tada Repaha Pi Paraha Bhavati. Ataha Brahmashihi Bhavati. Okay, understand?
Astu ji.
Yes. So with this, Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi is over. Pancha Sandhi we are supposed to study, but we are studying only 5 types of Sandhi in Swara Sandhi. Okay, with the Sutra. So what are the Sutram? Savana Dirgha, Yan Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, Ayadi Sandhi, and next we have to study Purva Rupa Sandhi. I think we can do it tomorrow. So we need to, if you got this place difficult, anyway, I don't know, you have to help me. What shall we do? You tell me your, not only Sandhi is a topic, other topics are there. I would be able to cover.
Ji, today we'll be sending you the homework, Ji. The exercises we will be doing for all the Sandhis you taught now.
All the Sandhis, and I have sent my notes, Sandhi notes. Have you seen that? Long with the big one. All the things are covered elaborately. And know how to complete a syllabus. I don't know what the syllabus. It's difficult. I know the syllabus, but I don't know how to complete it. They said 30 hours. What 30 hours? It will take more hours. 30 hours not possible. And I have not started Darshanani. On paper is there, right? Darshanani. So, what shall we do? You have any idea? Tell me how to complete this.
I would like to tell something, Ji, shall I?
Yes.
Ji, we can manage for exams, Ji, but we want a real knowledge like this, Ji. We want a deep knowledge on like what you are teaching now. That's what we've been waiting for, Ji. So we no need to. I mean, we no need to concentrate on syllabus and covering syllabus and all, Ji.
But if I then the syllabus is there, right? That how do we justify that? How do we do justification to the syllabus? How will you write the exam if syllabus is not covered?
See, like before also before this class, we also know that all these Sunday, but we know only the outline of these Sundays. Means we can without knowing the reasons. Like we can manage the.
Okay, what I'm saying is we need to spend more time so that I would be able to cover at least reasonably some syllabus, some good amount of syllabus. If at least 50% I will be able to cover. But at this pace, I think I won't be able to cover even 10% of the syllabus. Even if 50% I cover this background, with this in depth, then that would be enough. And later you can always ask me, I will teach you. When you over interested, you can approach me. We can have class. If anybody else is interested, also your friends other than your college, the group. Anybody is interested, they can. Well, we can.
Astu Nischena Suchiyam.
So now we need to have some extra classes. So Sunday also we are supposed to. We can have not supposed to. We can have. Then only will possible. Sunday, in fact, I am free. Not free means I can make myself free. In fact, I'm busy. I make myself busy all the time. Even now, from morning, I have this continuous classes I'm taken. After that, then afternoon, I will do class, and after that, again class. Without rest, I'm doing. Hope I will not fall sick. But I'm ready to do it. Sunday, if you are available, you can tell me. That's all your.
Ji, please let us know the timing according to your convenience. Ji, we will be.
So Sunday we can do from morning 8:30 onwards.
Astu Ji, we are ready. Ji.
Just relax and attend the class. You don't because I ask questions that you don't feel it. You just tell what you understand. If you don't understand, it is my responsibility to make you understand. Simple. That is why I ask questions. If you don't understand, you ask. That's why I keep asking. So you will gain definitely if you spend more time. And we can have on Sunday so that more Sundays can be covered. And so Rental Sunday and all, etc. Everything we'll talk about in detail. Definitely will cover the basic things. We give you very good knowledge. That based on that, later from whomever you want to learn, you can learn. You will be able to pick up. Okay, so fine. I can stop here. You tell me Sunday, we can do. I can make myself free. And also,
Astu Ji.
I'm going to Rishikesh. I'm not available for days. At least 1 week in surely not available. After that, when I'm in Coimbatore, I will be staying in Coimbatore for some days, 2-3 days, and maybe I don't know. I may extend my stay. I will stay there for 10-15 days. If I'm there in Coimbatore, we can have class.
Astu
Astu
Ji.
Ji.
I mean, not in the college. I will be staying in the monastery. That the Gurukulam is there. There I will be staying. Not direct class, online class only.
Astu
Yes,
Ji.
Ji, we understand.
Yes. Okay, so we will see. If chance is there, we will meet. I will say come. I don't know. Yes. If chance is there, we can have a direct class in the college itself. But I don't think I would be able to come to college every day and do it. Not possible.
Astu Ji.
Astu Ji.
We can do it online. So
Up to your convenience, Ji. So,
even when I'm in Coimbatore, we can do it online. So I'll be coming. When I come in there, I will be staying in Mangare. I think you know the place. Mangare. Have you heard?
yes, Ji, we have
Astu.
heard.
Yes, I'll be staying with Swami Dayananda Swami Jagatmanji is this place only I'll be staying.
It's so far from city. Ji.
No, not so far. We just move and go frequently. I come from Anakati to city and go. Not frequently. I'd like to stay away from the city. In fact, but now I'm in Chennai, out of the city. Anyway, it's okay. Okay, we will stop here. We will see. Sunday we will meet. And evening also you told 8 to 9. That also we can have. If you're ready today also you can have.
Astu Ji.
You let me know. You can please send me the message after your convenience.
Sure, Ji. Sure.
Based on your message, we will decide. Okay. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः जी।
धन्यवादः जी।